by Wednesday.
Anaheim police are being stuck with a bill. Department officials are reporting that the drywallers' strike is taking its toll, costing the city close to $100,000. OCN's Michelle Miller has the story.
Police in full riot gear separating drywallers from the entrance to this Anaheim construction site. While this was the scene 2 weeks ago, police say this has all too often been the outcome.
We've had instances where there's been physical conflict between the strikers and people that are inside the construction scene. And there's been instances where people have trespassed onto the construction sites. And for us not to be there would mean that we would have to respond and deal with a much more serious situation later on.
The price of keeping the peace, according to police estimates, in the last 2 weeks alone, close to $100,000 in salaries and more than 3,600 man-hours, including overtime. It's taking a toll in more ways than one.
Certain types of calls we're not able to respond as quickly as we would like, and there are some investigations that have been delayed that officers would normally have completed during that period of time that are now trying to catch up on.
At one point, more patrols were on strike duty than were covering the city. And while no emergency calls were ignored, officers were just too busy to respond to some citizens' concerns. Anaheim isn't alone. Tustin and Santa Ana are reporting similar costs. The strikers say they don't deserve all the blame.
The officers are making themselves enemies by taking the side of the company and breaking the strike and arresting people for frivolous charges, giving traffic citations frivolously.
With an annual budget of $52 million, Anaheim police say there's no contingency plan to cover these costs. Ultimately, taxpayers will have to pick up the bill. In Anaheim, Michelle Miller, Orange County News Channel.
Police are hoping the strike will end soon, and they're urging protesters to demonstrate peacefully. The strikers say they won't end their strike until all Southern California construction companies recognize their union. Up next on OCN Overnight, Orange County real estate professionals